Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add PayPal Smart button to Shopify store. So first is first, what you're going to do is you have to go to your Shopify. On the left side, you have to scroll down and then tap on online store and then tap on themes. So basically what you're going to do here is you have to simply look for your theme or edit a theme page, and then let's just say you wanted to add the PayPal button to your footer. What you're going to do here is you have to open and click a new tab and then go to F site. You can create an account right here, or you can just skip that part. On the search bar or search icon, you have to search here PayPal. Then you should see PayPal button. But anyways, in order for you to generate URL, you need to log in or create an account. So this is PayPal button widget. Now tap on create for free. It will give you this, and all you need to do is to select whatever type of button you want. So you have your option here, four options. Let's just say I'll pick this one right here. After that, tap on continue or proceed. Here you need to add your email address, and then you can add whatever information you want to add here, like the price. If you want to change the currency, everything is up to you. So once you have added the information here, then all you need to do is to just proceed. And again, you need to create an account or you need to log in order for you to publish this and get the code. So if I tap on proceed or next, I need to create an account or log in or sign in. And then I need to publish this one. After that, once published, it will allow you to select a plan right here or subscribe a plan. Let's just select the free and then copy this URL right here. Go back to your Shopify, go to footer, add section, look for custom liquid, and then after that, you're going to paste the URL right inside this empty box right here. You should see the PayPal button appears in the footer section. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.